Here's a travel tip for you. Wild and beautiful Umbria is a lot like its famous next-door neighbor, Tuscany, with a lot less tourists. For my Umbrian antipasto, arvoltolo con pomorodini, fried flatbread with sweet and spicy tomatoes. And to get that flatbread going, all it takes is flour, a good pinch of salt, and water. 3 easy, everyday ingredients. And slowly working that water into the flour, fingertips only. Dialect, arvoltolo, meaning to turn over. And I'll be doing that, not just in the rolling of the dough, but in the cooking of it. My dough is taking a rest. I can get on with the pomorodini. For my pomodorini, a good splash of olive oil, and tomatoes and garlic were made to be together. And of course, a little bit of that chili is going to add a wonderful warming heat to not just the tomatoes, but the flatbread as well. As this garlic browns, the aroma coming out of the pan is quite beautiful, deep and rich and flavorful, and a wonderful counterpoint to the sweetness of those pomodorini, those little tomatoes. What I really like about this flatbread is that it's quick and easy to make, and so beautiful to eat when it's fresh out of the pan. Now, once my pomodorini warm up, soften up, and become even sweeter than you can imagine, time to roll up that flatbread. My dough is nice and soft and relaxed now, so that's going to make it so much easier to roll out. Now it's all about frying these lovely flatbreads. Good hot oil, evenly rolled out dough, put them in the oil away from you, and let them fry. The dough is going to become light and fluffy, golden brown, bubbled and blistered. And all you have to do is watch and enjoy it. Fresh out of the oil, piping hot, and my lovely, melted, super sweet, slightly spicy tomatoes. And it's as simple as piling the tomato on top and just letting that juice soak into that flatbread. And where there's tomatoes, garlic, and chili, I have to add a little fresh basil. Pomodorini are so sweet, and then that warm, crisp bread there to soak up all those lovely juices.